My people, I dey here, I dey watch editorial. I go add this I go add that to this live stream. Una not fit watch am, na go watch am now. I will leave am, make una watch am. Then una drop na opinion. Then we'll come back and analyze am. Me will analyze my own for this live stream now. Okay? Me I leave una, make una enjoy am. Okay, okay. I'll meet una in my next video.
So when for the money that Peace accused me to stealing from her, and I heard she said it's $319, and I'm like, are you kidding me? Like, the first money I for and one, the second one was 200, the third one was 300 and something, and then the fourth one that she is saying that I stole is 100 and something. Do you understand? And well, when we get to court, we would demand all of that, okay? But I did not steal from Peace. Now, this is how it is. When I actually remove Peace account from my own, because my account was hacked, you understand? So when I removed her own from my own, that money did not drop in my account. You understand? So that month passed. When Peace was asking me that particular month, that what about that has, I think, September money or something, and I said you will have to wait for you will have to wait and then ask you to. Do you understand? If I wanted to steal Peace money, I was one that told her to, you know, contact you. Just understand? Since she has come out here to say since she has come out here to say that I am wicked, I am this and that, I cannot afford to be contacting YouTube for you now. So I told her, contact YouTube. Do you understand? If I wanted to steal her money, come on, like. So I told her to contact YouTube. I think it's September, yeah, into my account, into the account. See, Peace did not only give out my number for people to call me and be telling me that they want to kill me. Do you understand? Peace put out my personal details online. So you guys, please go choice now. No, don't say that, please, please. Choice, come on, don't say that. Don't say that. That's not nice to say. Since she has actually contacted YouTube, and as at the time she called me, which was, I think, sending message, which was last 3 weeks or last 2 weeks, yeah. See, it is actually a natural thing for human being to be hungry, because um I am angry, and that is why I have not responded to Peace. Do you understand? I am angry that she is deforming my character on this platform, wanting to bring me down. The platform in which I helped her to bring her up, she wants. Then I'm not sounding smart because I'm very, very emotional, and it amazes me all of the things I see on YouTube. And more especially, this is coming from the people that I've actually, stayed with. We have actually shared things together. Do you understand? And people that I have actually said, okay, oh, let me help you and boost you up. And then those same people coming online to tarnish my image, deform my character. Do you understand? Comes to, something, taking things professional. You just have to talk less so you can act more. Do you understand? So I'm not going to be talking too much. You understand? Because but the thing I want to clear, yeah, yesterday someone called me and said that um she actually gave me money when I gave birth. Not bother myself going to go and be going to go and be checking AdSense and all of that stuff. And it is for this channel, this money is for this channel, this money is for this channel. So it does not come like that. It comes at once. And account from my own. So that particular month, the money did not come. So, and I was like, okay, the money did not enter my account. All right. So if YouTube told her that the money, the hundred and something dollar because that is what it is. She actually screenshot that and sent it to me that time. So I don't know why she's going to go and say it in another live stream. Come on now. The $300 I have, the 300 and something dollar that she talked about as paid. I've actually paid her that one. The only money that she received in my house are the first one, the second one which she left, the third one which was $300, 300 and something, yeah, 319 thereabout, and then the fourth one, which was this one that I did not know it entered my account, and since it actually did not enter that particular month, so me, I was like, okay, your money did not enter my account, and that was why I told her, go and ask YouTube. Do you understand? And whatever they say, then you now know. You get? So if the 100 and something dollar actually entered my account, no problem, I would pay it in court, since already the whole, like, because I can, me, a person they hold me, even my, I block. Okay, someone was asking me, why did I block people? Block people who wants to insult me. When I was talking to, like, somebody on the phone about this whole drama thing, and the person started the insult, and I told the person that, see, you're not supposed to make a video about me, and the person wanted to start insulting me, and I cut my phone. Do you understand? I cut my phone and I blocked that person for that minute, because I don't want your insult. There's no need for us trying to do back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. I have not chatted YouTube to know. That is why I did not know that that money entered into my account, because the money did not enter that month. Maybe entered the other month and stuff, because I have other channels that I work on. Do you understand? And money do not actually come like, this money is for this channel, this money is for this channel. It comes together. Do you understand? It comes together. So I would not know how to differentiate it. I personally told Peace to, go and ask YouTube, and then whatever YouTube say, fine. And I saw that. I knew that no matter how it is, I was going to give Peace her money. Do you understand? Because the money, I don't know why she's saying it's 300 and something dollar. It's 100 and something dollar. Maybe she'll have to, when we go to court, then we'll have to see the screenshot. Abi, that was the last month before her channel was demonetized. You understand? So that one will be something where then they hide. Anyways, so I asked her to check YouTube, and as at the time she she contacted me, I was hungry. I was hungry because I was hungry with her, because you left my house, all of my privates, all my informations, all my life on YouTube, things that I don't get to talk about on YouTube. Like, you give out, you show out my number on YouTube, and people threaten me. Well, I have all of those evidence. So when we go to court, so, and you show out my AdSense publisher number. I know that Peace do not wish me well, but there are some level of things you don't do even to your enemy. So that's because I did not. When you are on YouTube, you can only see 3 months revenue. Like the previous ones, you will not be able to see it, except maybe you contact YouTube. Do you understand? And that is why I told her, go and contact YouTube and let me know. So she was like a little patient and allow me calm my anger down. Then we would have talked, because hold on. Any person that wants to, I don't like having a conversation with people, and then it will be looking as if we are arguing. You talk, I talk, you talk, I talk. Nobody was, let me quote him. I might not quote him right. If he was here now, I would have used his phone to play it so that you guys could hear. Do you understand? What my husband sent her was that, why are you sending me now? Why are you sending me all of this now? If you had respected me, wouldn't you have spoken to me first before taking my wife and putting all of our informations online? Don't you ever send me anything. If you send me anything, don't think that Uyo is far. Don't you ever send me anything. If you had respected me, you would have called me or spoken to me first before taking all of our informations and deforming my wife's character online. Well, is that threatening? Well, we'll talk about that in court. Anyways, a video about me online, that people are going to send him money. People are going to help him. So I'm sure that is actually the reason why she keeps bringing my issue Since right now, yeah, since she has actually gotten a lawyer, so we will go to the courts and then I will pay her. Of course, I'll pay her in court. And then me too, I get my own charges also. I get my own charges. Because I already paid 2 lawyer. And oh, Black and Shine, I didn't see your message. They've already paid 2 lawyer. You understand? So we would have to go and maybe settle in court so that me too. God could provide me so that I will fit also get lawyer anyhow, or I will stand on my own. You understand? So that because me too, I get my own charges also. Like you bring in my personal details online. They said you arrested victims you see online. Do you understand? I didn't. I did not arrest anybody. Just like they keep on pushing peace now. Let's go to court. Let's go to court. That was how they were pushing. They were pushing her. And go there. And go. I was on my own. No. I was just on my own, sitting down on my couch, editing my video, and they called me. That okay, oh yeah, come. I don't want to talk about that because when things goes to when something has actually um left the ordinary and go to professional, you have to be professional, okay, about it. Where is Lizzie? Lizzie is with her mom. Some of your subscribers offer to help you pay. Oh, message is too okay. Let me on this thing, please. Please, video. Did you go and blame some other person for me crying that Peter Obi did not win? Eh? Why, if someone cried in her channel, you can't be asking me that Joy was crying? Come on now. Please, not coming back. This is with her mom. Okay, I'm going to pay. Then they're going to say, okay, fine. So how are you going to pay? Then we'll not talk about it. Do you understand? And then me too, I get my own charges because like a lot of calls come to me threatening to kill me. So with the phone that I have, okay, it keeps record. So that is not. I don't need to come and do I need to come and be showing you so you believe me? Even if I show you, you will not believe me. So see, the thing is that peace is out to tarnish my name. Do you understand? Peace is out to bring me down. But God in heaven that brought me up without the help of anybody to this position that I am will not make that happen. So this is actually not the first time I'm blocking Peace when she wants to like overtalk. I will block her and then I'll unblock her. Do you understand? Because I don't want too much of exchanging of words. Do you understand? So I knew Peace was going to come online. So me, I know they fear again now because what is it? They've actually said so many things about me. Like you talk about me, you talk about my husband, bring out my soul, my personal Stella, thank you. You guys, I honestly did not come here for you guys to donate for me. Oh, please, thank you so much. But honestly, yeah, I'm just very, 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 um, well, let's say, I regret, I regret everything. I regret it. Me, as I'm sitting down here, do you understand? Somebody that is on YouTube here is owing me first 200,000, 100,000, yeah, my king pencil, and me coming outside to tell the person that okay, you're owing me this, you're owing me that, 100 and something dollars. Yeah, later she will have to send me the screenshot because her money that has entered my account, if this last one has actually entered, this last one, because the things are honestly, I didn't that month because I disconnect that channel from my own. That particular month the money did not enter, maybe enter the next month, I don't know, I honestly don't know, I didn't even check. Do you understand? They're going to serve me court case. So at least before I go to court, do you understand, I'm going to check. And I know that it's only 4 times that has actually received money, plus this last one. Do you understand? It's only 4 times. If that money entered an account, that means it's only 4 times. The first one was $100 and something. Former, thank you so very much. God bless you. I didn't block Esther. Stayed in this house. She wouldn't have even received 1 naira. She wouldn't have gotten 1 naira because if I did, oh God, what's the essence? Okay, this is the situation and stuff. Somebody would not have sent me money for for her to be able to buy phone, and so she can be able to make video. So you guys should also know that. Don't just look at it that okay, it is pay peace her money. I'm going to pay peace her money. But since I heard that okay, she has actually somebody have paid for two lawyer. Somebody have paid for two lawyer. Hey, for $100 and something. Okay, two lawyers for only small me like this. My people they say person wey no get car wey no get tail na God na im dey blow fly away from am. Live stream when it is happening, especially when they are talking about me. Do you understand? When somebody was calling me to tell me that okay, this is what they're saying about live stream about you. You know, my brother Alfred here, you know, told me that auntie, see the person where you been they fight me because of Amo. They're gonna bring all this thing now. You get? Hold on, calm down, don't worry. Stop talking as if she didn't work for that AdSense. No, she didn't work for my AdSense. Do you understand? No, that was not the plan. That was an extra help. Do you understand? That was an extra help so she could be receiving money. And choice TV live stream. So I don't know what happened, and then that was placed there and then was sent. So that was what he explained to me, that message was not for that video. It was for his WhatsApp status. He copied it from one of his friends' WhatsApp status. Do you understand? And he wanted to put it on his own. So that message was not for that video. So and he said he apologized to that. Very likes dragging our phone too much. Do you understand? If someone they explain something, let's say on need to understand, is there network problem? The message, my husband has already copied that message. Do you understand? And wanted to place it on his own status. Beverly dragged the phone and then went on YouTube. Do you understand? And then you know when children want to do things before you know.
My sister Editorial. We understand, so, my sister.
That was what he said happened.
Yeah.
Of course.
Thank you for answering my question.
To be commenting.
We go analyze and just say me I record. See as people they laugh. You are in fact we'll do live stream. Okay, guys. I just pick some important parts so that me una enjoy them. Okay. People enough you watch her from the beginning to the end. I just try to at least may anybody not insult her. Please and please and please, no insult. I'm begging. Okay, she's our sister. You can make a mistake. You can be in her shoe. You know, nobody is perfect. We are, you know, we make mistakes every day.
However, the story sounds to you, that is your own. Okay. That was what he told me.
That is what he tell her. He said, "Lie."
There.
No, not leave her. No, not leave her.
I didn't know when I met him inside the room. He was already even sleeping. So I asked him, telling me that my husband commented. Before I even asked him, said he had already sent apology that the message was not meant for that. Okay.
Edit lie. Oh, so, Caro. No, not leave her now. No, not leave her. Okay.
You said what you've got to
I haven't made video about it. Maybe that this video will come up before that one will come. Before you know, you know the color.
These people would not have been in my house. They would not have stayed in my house. They would not have been visiting, and all of that thing. I'm not, but I cannot be here and be trying to prove myself. I don't want to prove myself. That is why when all of these things, when people come out to talk about me, I tend to keep quiet because I don't want to come and be. I honestly, I know they start fights. Those kind you make. I know they like them. I don't get power for that one. I don't have such strength. But God in heaven will see all of us through. All of us here, both the people commenting, my haters, my lovers, my subscribers. God bless all of you guys for the people are asking Lizzie. Now I've taken Lizzie to her mother. People are asking. Lizzie is fine. Lizzie is doing well, okay. My daughters. And then I will come back and confirm. You know, the thing is that confirming that thing, since it was last year, I would have to go and chat YouTube, just like I told her to go and do that. Do you understand? So that is what I would do. You get so, but I will pay her. But they said they're going to bring lawyer for me, and I'm like, okay, lawyer, okay, oh, no, well, now God will see me through. Yes, I would say yes. I'm actually the cause of all of this. After I come out from the door, because I actually accepted, entertained all of those people in my house. See my husband here. It was a mistake. That thing was copied. And Beverly cannot do with phone does not exist. Do you know that Beverly wants to help me edit video? That girl is super smart. The thing is that all of those people that
we don't cast
actually brought
last. Now everybody go to breakfast. To go bow for the result, nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default and without any doubt. I'm a me happy adult, I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl is out. I'm a mind that's you the talk, I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, I know holy and I know that get both like the